Indoor gardening is a joy. It's a delightful way to bring a touch of nature into your home, creating a serene and vibrant environment. Whether you live in a spacious house or a cozy apartment, indoor gardening can transform your living space into a green oasis. It brings a touch of nature into your home. The presence of plants can improve air quality, boost your mood, and even enhance your creativity. Imagine waking up to the sight of lush greenery and breathing in the fresh, clean air that your indoor plants provide. Imagine fresh herbs at your fingertips. Growing your own herbs indoors means you can have fresh, flavorful ingredients for your meals all year round. Basil, mint, rosemary, and thyme are just a few examples of herbs that thrive indoors and can elevate your cooking. Picture vibrant flowers adding color to your living room. Flowers like orchids, African violets, and peace lilies can brighten up any space with their beautiful blooms and add a touch of elegance to your home decor. That is the magic of indoor gardening. It allows you to create a personalized green space that reflects your style and preferences. From succulents and cacti to ferns and palms, the variety of plants you can grow indoors is endless. It's easier than you think. With the right care and attention, anyone can become a successful indoor gardener. All you need is a little patience, some basic knowledge, and a willingness to experiment. Even if you don't have a garden, you can grow plants. Indoor gardening is perfect for those with limited outdoor space. You can use shelves, windowsills, and even hanging planters to maximize your indoor gardening potential. A sunny windowsill can be enough. Many indoor plants thrive in natural light, so placing them near a window can provide them with the sunlight they need to grow and flourish. You can create your own green haven. By arranging your plants thoughtfully, you can turn any corner of your home into a peaceful retreat filled with the calming presence of nature. It's a rewarding hobby for everyone. Indoor gardening can be a fun and educational activity for the whole family. It teaches children about nature, responsibility, and the joy of nurturing living things. Indoor gardening is also incredibly therapeutic. Spending time with your plants can reduce stress, improve your mental well-being, and provide a sense of accomplishment as you watch them grow. Caring for plants can reduce stress. The act of watering, pruning, and nurturing your plants can be a meditative experience, helping you to unwind and find peace in your daily routine. It's a mindful activity, connecting us to nature. Indoor gardening encourages mindfulness and presence, allowing you to slow down and appreciate the simple pleasures of life. This guide will help you create your own indoor garden. From choosing the right plants to understanding their care needs, we'll provide you with all the information you need to get started. We'll cover everything you need to know. From soil types and watering schedules to lighting and fertilization, we'll guide you through every step of the process. Get ready to discover your green thumb. With a little effort and enthusiasm, you'll soon be enjoying the many benefits of indoor gardening. So let's embark on this green journey together and transform your home into a lush, vibrant sanctuary. Indoor plants offer numerous benefits. They are natural air purifiers. Plants absorb toxins and release oxygen. This improves the air quality in your home. Studies show indoor plants reduce stress. Caring for plants can be therapeutic. It provides a sense of accomplishment and well-being. Plants enhance your home decor. They add life and color to any room. You can choose from a variety of textures and colors. Indoor gardening is also a great way to grow your own food. Imagine fresh herbs and vegetables year-round. It's a rewarding and sustainable way to eat. Choosing the right plants is key to indoor gardening success. Start with beginner-friendly options. These plants are low maintenance and forgiving. The snake plant is an excellent choice. It tolerates low light and infrequent watering. The spider plant is another great option. It's easy to propagate and purifies the air. Other beginner-friendly plants include ZZ plant, very low maintenance, perfect for forgetful waterers. Peace lily, beautiful white flowers, prefers low light conditions. Cast iron plant, nearly indestructible, thrives in almost any environment. Research each plant's needs. Consider your home's light conditions. Choose plants that will thrive in your environment. Before you start planting, gather your tools. You'll need a few essentials. Pots with drainage holes. Choose the right size for your plants. Potting mix. Use a well-draining mix specifically for indoor plants. Watering can. A long spout makes it easier to water accurately. Gardening gloves. Protect your hands from dirt and thorns, if applicable. Hand trowel. Useful for scooping soil and transplanting. You can find these tools at your local garden center. Investing in quality tools will make gardening easier and more enjoyable. Optional but helpful tools include a spray bottle for misting and plant markers for labeling. Section 5. Planting your indoor oasis. Welcome to your guide on creating a lush green indoor garden that will bring life and vibrancy to your home. Planting your indoor garden is a straightforward process, but it requires some attention to detail to ensure your plants thrive. Follow these steps for success. 1. Drainage. Proper drainage is crucial for the health of your plants. Ensure your pots have drainage holes. This allows excess water to escape, preventing waterlogged soil and root rot. Line the bottom with a layer of pebbles or gravel. This creates a space for water to drain away from the roots. 2. Soil. Fill the pot with potting mix, leaving space for the plant. Use a high-quality potting mix that provides the right balance of nutrients and aeration. 3. Planting. Gently remove the plant from its nursery pot. Be careful not to damage the roots during this process. Loosen the roots and place it in the center of the new pot. This helps the plant establish itself in its new home. 4. Watering. Water thoroughly until water drains from the bottom. This ensures that the entire root system gets hydrated. Allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Overwatering can be just as harmful as underwatering. Remember to choose the right pot size for your plant. A pot that's too small can restrict growth, while a pot that's too large can hold too much water. Avoid overwatering, as it can lead to root rot. Always check the soil moisture before watering again. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a thriving indoor oasis. Section 6. Nurturing your indoor haven. Once your plants are settled, they need regular care. This care is essential to ensure they thrive and bring life to your indoor space. This includes watering. Watering is one of the most crucial aspects of plant care. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. This simple test helps prevent overwatering, which can lead to root rot, and underwatering, which can stress the plant. The amount and frequency will vary depending on the plant and environment. Light. Light is another critical factor. Place your plants in a location that receives adequate light. Different plants have different light requirements, so it's important to know what each of your plants needs. Observe their growth patterns and adjust their position as needed. Dusting. Dusting is often overlooked but is vital for plant health. Dust leaves regularly to allow them to breathe. Dust can block sunlight and reduce the plant's ability to photosynthesize, which is essential for their growth. Feed your plants with a balanced liquid fertilizer during the growing season, which is spring and summer. Fertilizing provides essential nutrients that might not be available in the soil. Observe your plants closely. Look for signs of pests, diseases, or nutrient deficiencies. Regular observation helps you catch problems early. Early detection is crucial for plant health. By catching issues early, you can take steps to treat them before they become severe, ensuring your indoor haven remains lush and vibrant. Section 7. Troubleshooting your green thumb journey. Even experienced gardeners encounter challenges. Here are some common issues and solutions. Overwatering. If the leaves are yellowing or drooping, you might be overwatering. Allow the soil to dry out more between waterings. Pests. Common indoor plant pests include aphids, mealybugs, and spider mites. Treat infestations promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Leggy growth. If your plants become tall and spindly, they may not be getting enough light. Move them to a brighter location or supplement with grow lights. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. Every problem has a solution. Research and learn from your experiences. Section 8. Embrace the green revolution. Indoor gardening is a rewarding journey. It brings joy, beauty, and well-being into your home. Starting small and choosing beginner-friendly plants is key. Remember to provide your plants with the right care, water, light, and nutrients. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn along the way. Embrace the process and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Grow your own little green haven and experience the transformative power of nature indoors.